In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see house numbers in Google Maps. If you've ever tried to meet a delivery, verify an address, or just find the exact spot on a street, seeing house numbers right on the map can save a ton of time. Let's walk through it together on a computer. First, open your web browser and go to maps.google.com. You don't have to sign in for this to work, but if you're logged in, you can easily save places and come back to them later. Next, click into the search bar at the top and type the street name or a specific address. Include the city or postal code to narrow things down, especially if the street name exists in multiple places. As you type, Google will offer suggestions, pick the one that matches what you need, press enter, the map will fly to that location and drop a pin. Take a second to confirm you're in the right area by checking nearby landmarks or cross streets. Now we'll switch the map style. Click the layers icon, the small stack of squares on the map, and choose satellite. Satellite view blends overhead imagery with map labels, which often makes house numbers and building outlines easier to spot. From here, zoom in closely, use your mouse wheel, the plus button, or pinch on a trackpad until you're at a very detailed level. As you get closer, you'll usually start to see property outlines and, in many places, the actual house numbers printed right on the map. Be aware that house numbers only appear at very high zoom levels and availability varies by location. Some cities display clear numbers, others may show only building footprints or none at all. If you don't see numbers immediately, zoom 1 or 2 levels closer or drag along the street to let the map load additional tiles. Give it a moment, higher detail can take a second to render, especially on slower connections. If you need extra clarity, try nudging the map slightly or rotating the view just a touch to refresh the imagery. Also keep an eye on the street center lines and parcel shapes. When numbers are available, they're usually aligned with the building or parcel rather than the curb. That's it, go to maps.google.com, search for the place, press enter, switch to satellite and zoom in until the numbers appear. With a bit of patience, you'll quickly pinpoint the exact house you're looking for.